What if I told you there was a hotel located right in the heart of Walt Disney World that gives you the feel of a deluxe resort, incredible dining options, and one of the most convenient locations on Disney property? The Walt Disney World Dolphin is one of the most unique hotels you can choose for a Disney vacation. It's surrounded by some of Disney's most popular resorts, and it puts you within walking distance of EPCOT, Hollywood Studios, and the beautiful Disney BoardWalk area. But is it really worth the price? Today I'm taking you on a full tour of the Walt Disney World Dolphin Hotel, including the rooms, lobby, restaurants, pool area, amenities, transportation options, and what it's like walking around this incredible Disney resort. I'll answer the biggest questions guests have before booking. Is it a better choice than staying at a Disney value or moderate resort? How easy is it to get around without a car? And what are the downsides you need to know before spending your vacation budget? Because when you're planning a Disney vacation, your hotel isn't just where you sleep. It can completely change your entire experience. So let's explore the Walt Disney World Dolphin and find out if this unique Disney resort hotel is truly worth staying here. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It helps a whole lot. Thank you. When you arrive at the Walt Disney World Dolphin, you immediately realize this is a different kind of Walt Disney World experience. The first thing that stands out is the size and design of the resort. The grand entrance, impressive architecture, and beautiful lobby create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury vacation than a traditional Disney resort. Instead of bright colors and heavy Disney theming, the Dolphin has a more sophisticated and elegant style, and the difference is important. The Walt Disney World Dolphin isn't trying to be another Disney value resort. It's offering something different, a combination of comfort, amenities, and a premium location inside Walt Disney World. One of the biggest questions people ask before booking the Walt Disney World Dolphin is it actually a Disney hotel? And the confusion is understandable. The hotel has Walt Disney World in its name. It's located directly on Disney property, and when you step outside, you are surrounded by some of the most iconic Disney destinations. But here's where things get interesting. The hotel is operated by Marriott. So why does it have the Walt Disney World name? The resort was created through a partnership with Disney and designed to be part of the Walt Disney World area. Because of this partnership, guests receive many benefits associated with staying at a Walt Disney World hotel. You get the advantage of being inside the Disney bubble, access to Disney transportation, and a location close to some of the most popular parks. However, there are also differences compared with Disney-owned resorts, and these differences are important when deciding where to spend your vacation money. Walking through the Walt Disney World Dolphin, one of the first things you'll notice is the atmosphere. The resort feels sophisticated and elegant. The lobby is spacious, beautifully designed, and has a more upscale feeling compared with many Disney resorts. There are plenty of areas to relax, meet friends, grab a drink, or simply enjoy the resort atmosphere. This is one of the reasons the Dolphin appeals to guests who want a balance between Disney excitement and a more refined hotel experience. Now let's take a look at where you'll actually be staying. The rooms at the Walt Disney World Dolphin have a very different style compared with many Disney-owned resorts. Instead of being filled with Disney characters and themed decorations, the focus is on comfort and functionality. The design feels clean, modern, similar to what you would expect from a high-end Marriott resort. The bed is comfortable, the layout is practical, and after spending an entire day walking around Walt Disney World, having a relaxing space to retain is definitely appreciated. For guests who spend most of their vacation exploring the parks, this type of room may actually be exactly what they are looking for. This is probably the biggest question when considering this hotel, because Disney vacations are expensive and choosing the right hotel can have a huge impact on your overall experience. When you stay here, you're not just paying for a room, you're paying for the location, you're paying for the dining options, you're paying for amenities, you're paying for convenience. The Dolphin sits in a unique position because it offers a deluxe resort atmosphere and many of the advantages people look for when staying on Disney property. But the real question is whether these benefits are worth paying for compared to other options. One of the biggest advantages of staying at Walt Disney World Dolphin is the location. From the hotel, guests can walk to EPCOT through the International Gateway experience. You can also walk to Hollywood Studios, giving you another option instead of relying only on buses. But what makes this area special is that the experience doesn't end when you leave the parks. The Dolphin is located near Crescent Lake, one of the most beautiful areas at Walt Disney World. You can take a relaxing walk around the lake, explore nearby resorts, visit Disney BoardWalk area, and enjoy the atmosphere. At night, this area becomes especially beautiful. The lights reflecting on the water, the restaurants, entertainment, and peaceful walking paths create an experience that feels completely different from a busy park day. It is one of those Disney experiences that you don't need a park ticket to enjoy. Another major advantage is the variety of transportation options available. One of the best parts about staying here is that you're not limited to one way of getting around. For EPCOT, walking to the International Gate entrance is one of the easiest options. For Hollywood Studios, you can walk or you can take the friendship boats. These boats travel around the Crescent Lake area, connecting nearby resorts and providing a relaxing way to enjoy the scenery while getting around. For Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, guests can use complimentary Disney buses from the resort. The Dolphin also gives you access to nearby Skyliner transportation options within the EPCOT resort area. While the Dolphin does not have its own Skyliner station, nearby Skyliner stations provide another way to explore parts of Disney. Having different transportation choices is something you really appreciate after a long day in the parks. Being able to walk, take a boat, or use Disney transportation adds flexibility and makes the entire vacation experience easier. Is it better than Disney Value Resorts? This really depends on the type of Disney vacation you want. Disney Value Resorts are designed for guests who want the classic Disney resort experience at a lower price. They offer incredible theming, fun environments, and the feeling of being surrounded by Disney magic. If your priority is easy access to EPCOT and Hollywood Studios, more dining options, and a relaxing resort environment, the Dolphin has some major advantages. But if your dream Disney vacation includes Disney storytelling everywhere you look, a value resort may actually create a more magical experience. The better choice depends on what matters to you most. Another advantage of Walt Disney World Dolphin is the variety of dining options available. The resort offers multiple restaurants and lounges, giving guests plenty of choices without needing to leave the area. Because of its location, guests can also explore nearby dining around Crescent Lake and Disney's BoardWalk. This gives guests more flexibility than many resorts where dining options are more limited. After spending hours exploring Walt Disney World, having time to relax is important. The Walt Disney World Dolphin offers a large pool area where guests can slow down and enjoy time away from the park. The resort feels like a destination itself, allowing guests to enjoy a more traditional vacation resort experience. No hotel is perfect. The biggest thing to understand about Walt Disney World Dolphin is that it offers a different experience from Disney-owned resorts. If you want Disney characters, immersive storytelling, and themed details everywhere you look, this may not feel as magical. There are also additional costs to consider that can affect your overall vacation budget. And because the hotel is popular with conventions, some guests may find the atmosphere different from a traditional Disney resort. These are not necessarily deal breakers, but they are important factors to consider before booking. I think it depends on what you value most during your stay, and in my opinion, it was totally worth it. If you want a comfortable resort with a deluxe feel, excellent dining options, incredible access to EPCOT and Hollywood Studios, and one of the most beautiful areas at Walt Disney World, right outside your door, the Dolphin is definitely worth considering. The ability to walk to the parks, enjoy the boardwalk area at night, and choose from multiple transportation options creates a level of convenience that can completely change your Disney vacation. But if your priority is a fully immersive Disney resort experience, another Disney-owned resort may be a better fit. The Walt Disney World Dolphin is unique because it offers something different. It is not just about where you sleep after a day at the parks, it's about the experience you have before you even get there, while you're exploring the resort, and when you return after the magical day at Walt Disney World. And for many guests, that may be exactly what makes it worth the price.